We remember in the round table. The circle is activated and consciousness takes on a shared form. 12 positions surround the center and sustain a living geometry. Here, a natural order is established, an alliance of perception that opens a new state of consciousness. The archetypes of being arrange themselves to recalibrate the origin of the philosopher's stone, the one that aligns mind, heart, and action to manifest heaven on earth. At the center of the circle, Excalibur defines the axis and marks the north. During this cycle, its form expresses itself as oxygen. That is the substance we are organizing. The eighth particle of the stone appears as respiratory architecture, ready to be observed and adjusted from the different points of view offered by the Wheel of the 12. Today we share the point of view of dissolution. The Throne of Pisces opens the 12th position and directs the gaze toward oxygen dissolved in the oceans. From this seat, oxygen reveals itself as the element that returns to the primordial water, as the atom that dissolves into the seas and sustains marine life. What was ignited, rooted, circulated, protected, expressed, refined, balanced, transformed, expanded, built, and innovated now finds integration with the totality of the ocean. Oxygen dissolves into deep waters and allows fish, algae, and corals to breathe. Each dissolved atom sustains underwater life. Each molecule surrenders to the eternal cycle of the breathing ocean. Oxygen inhabits the marine waters that nourish underwater life, the ocean depths where it dissolves, the infinite cycle between air and sea. When observed from the Throne of Pisces, breathing finds compassion for the complete cycle, the mysticism of oceanic dissolution, and the capacity for surrender to the universal ocean. Breath becomes a marine offering. Energy organizes itself as a return to the breathing water. Excalibur calibrates the particle when mind, emotion, and body align along the same axis of oceanic unity. A candle is lit in front of you as a reflection of the center. Its flame reveals the state of the inner breath and accompanies the fine adjustment of the particle. By holding your gaze, dissolution is completed and the 12th face of the philosopher's stone is polished. Oxygen is integrated. The will completes its conscious cycle. Thus, today we carry out this task. Mind focus. Hold a single affirmation internally throughout the practice. I am dissolving the breath into the primordial ocean. Allow the mind to remain receptive and surrendered at this point. Emotion, cleansing with the candle. Place a lit candle in front of you. Observe it in silence for at least 3 full breaths. Let the flame dissolve emotions associated with separation from the ocean. Isolation from water, disruption of the marine respiratory cycle, denial of dissolution. Emotion is brought into order through compassion. Action, integration in the body. Pour a glass of water. Hold the glass in your hands and say, I am unified oxygen. Repeat it 3 times, with awareness. Drink the water slowly, integrating the breathing ocean into your body. Alchemical seal. I am the new state of consciousness. Avra Kehdabra, I create as I speak.